Okay. Hello and welcome back to whatever it is I do here. We're doing brakes on the Jetta today. It's been a minute, but even your dailies need love. My front brakes need to be replaced too. Well, not necessarily my pads, just the rotors are warped, and it's only when hard braking you feel the vibration. Oh my god, my fucking eye. Really need my rears done. There are times when I have to park on an angle or like a downward slope, for instance on a driveway. And when I put my e-brake up, my whole car like shifts forward and it feels like only one side is grabbing. So like my car's like this, and then I put my e-brake up and it goes like it, you know? And I started sliding. So we had to switch vehicles around so I could park flat. Because if I didn't park flat, I would have been in the street. People are like, oh, well, why can't you just put your shit in gear? And I'm like, I can't. Because even if I'm in gear, my car will slowly go like down. And I don't know the mechanics behind that, but I thought that you could just put it in gear and you'll be fine. But apparently my car still moves when it's in gear. So yeah, I went to VW yesterday. I got some new rotors and pads, just the OE ones. I get them at wholesale, so I get them cheaper because I work at a dealership. Those of you with sensitivity to rust, I'm gonna forewarn you. This is a rust belt vehicle, so she's gonna be a little crusty, so you might cringe. I'm just kidding. Well, I'm gonna try to grind down the brackets, and so we're gonna get all that done. I'm talking too much, so let's go to the shop. Into the shop. Alright, so we're gonna go mobile. As aforementioned, there's some crust. So you can see there's some pad on the outside. I am under the impression that on the inside the pads are like either seized in the saddle. Ow.
Did better. We got it over 40.
Yeah. Look like E.T. Maybe they were just shit, like, look at. Okay, so I bet this whole video is just fucking fucked. This looks like a fossil. Like those arthropod things. But it's just the piston. Alright. You just gotta give her a show right. It's too tight. I'm already here. This might be offensive to some in the South. I'm sorry I had to witness this, but this is reality. Is this illegal? Alright, now we need a new part. Is this brake? Chingada madre. Advice. We have technology. Who signed up for this shit? Gotta give her and she'll write. You seen Ernest before?
I don't think so.
Wow. I don't want to talk to you anymore. Ew. Okay, back to reality. I'm so happy. Anyways. This way.
Well, research today has always gets to the first game. So then he gets teed up on the rose to the level of anything fishing. So we got some free throws. Good job finding the
Yeah, that's this little half inch just fucking peeling crust. Dude, literally my phone camera is better than my... Help me! What am I doing? Pads. Every time I get this feeling, and every time we kiss I swear I can fly. Yeah, get a little raspy. And every time my heart beats fast, I want this love, want you in my life. I'll lock them in a little hole. I used to get on my knees for this one. That's what she said. Oh, she's turning now. Free spinning. Sounds like a cat. Like a wave, the ocean just... Oh, shit. Yeah, oh, there's battery. Oh, crap. Okay, so you get the point. All right, this is my last battery, and I brought the wrong charger. So thank you so much for watching. Here's the meme of the week, and you know how to do a brake job, and you know me, so you're not missing out on a lot. Okay, all right.